bird cage, and I'm just sitting here with the shoe on my shoulder because obviously there's no bird cage. And I set this up. This is a thing that goes on top of his bird cage, but it can also be used like this. And so I thought, he might want to go in that. I'm trying to play Sims, but it's taking forever. What did you dog see? I think he likes it. Maybe not. And if this game runs any slower, I'm going to go insane. So I downloaded a house onto... I'm sorry, it's very noisy. I downloaded a house onto my Sims game and... Hey guys! Are you done?
Okay.
It's like a parade.
We're clean.
Waiting for the other half of the parade. There's the other half of the parade.
What are you doing?
This one's not very happy.
Alright. I'm just gonna put the toys on top of the cage, and when you go in there, you can put them where you want them, okay?
It's kind of a nice day outside. Focus. Focus. I don't even see a cloud in the sky. I'm sure I could find one. Oh, that was a big bird. I'm bored. I'm really bored. Really extremely. This is awkward. Now I'm bending over. Oh, that's creepy. See, his cage is a little different. This is how I did it. It's almost flipped. It's almost like completely flipped. And I put that one up, and then I also put these two up. Okay, well, my mom did that. I didn't do it. Talking to a camera? Oh, shit. Is Dad home? I keep thinking I hear the screaming porch. I think it's you, though. Yeah, I keep thinking I hear the screaming porch. I was like, what? Either Dad's home or we're getting broke into. Go get the ball! That is so cute. Waiting for my dad and Joey to arrive, and I'm just out here riding my ripstick. My mom's right over there. Where is she?
You both have Xbox Live. Why don't you ever play?
Yeah, we're playing Xbox Live. Any other questions?
No.
Okay. You sure? Yeah. You want to ask me why I never use the internet? What the hell's the remote? It is loud. Joey, where are you going? What am I doing? Is someone calling me? Is there other people in this game, or is it just us? I don't like this.
What? You see this? Right here? If they break through this, they break.
What is that? It's a zombie.
No, yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, it is. See, I think it's like here. Get a gun from the wall.
Where? guns?
On the wall.
What wall? Oh, fuck!
The hell out of you.
They're gonna slap the hell out of me.
Yes.
A zombie's gonna bitch slap my face.
Yes, it's
A zombie is going to pin slap my face.